Let us see the next concept in coordinate geometry, that is section formula. What is this section formula? What the formula, how to derive that one and all, we will learn in this video. Now let us see here. Suppose if I am taking a coordinate axis, this is x-axis and I assume this one as the y-axis. Now on this x-axis, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now here if I divided this x-axis exactly half this one, now this line segment from 0 to 4, that means 0 to name this one as A. This line segment is divided at this point, right? Name this point is P. What are the coordinates of the P? Let us assume here. So here this is 2 and 3 between. So I can take this one as 2.5 because it is lying on x-axis. This value will be 0 there. Now, what is the ratio? You check it out here. Means from here to O to P and P to A. OP is what is the distance here? 1 unit, 2 units, 2.5 units. So 2.5 units I can write. Now what about the PA? What is PA equal to? Ratio you see, 1 unit, 1.5 unit. 1.5 unit. So what is the ratio there? OP by PA equal to 25 by 15, 5 times 3, 5 5 is a 25, 5:3 ratio, right? In the same manner, we can, if I am drawing a line on the y-axis also, we can find it out. Suppose if I am taking the points which are not lying on either x-axis or on the y-axis, then how to find out the coordinates of the point of intersection where it is there? Means some line, the segment is divided into certain points there. Let us see here. Suppose I will take a coordinate axis over here. Now in this one I am taking 2 points. Those 2 points, naming it as, name this one point as A and this point as B. A point is having the coordinates x1, y1, and B point is having the coordinates x2, y2, and P is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio. Here like ratio 5:3. Here we don't know the ratio. Let the ratio be m:n. Let the coordinates of P be x, y. So what are the values of x and what are the values of y? We are going to find it out. Formula. Suppose if you know the values of x1 and y1, x2 and y2, we can find out the coordinates of P using this formula. What is that formula? How to derive it? Observe clearly. I am drawing a perpendicular over here. And from P also I am drawing a perpendicular there. And from B also I am drawing a perpendicular there. Name these perpendiculars as L, and this is M, and let this one be N. Clear? And in the same manner, from point A I am drawing a perpendicular here, and from point P also I am drawing a perpendicular. Name this one as K and name this one as C. Clear now? Now once you observe, and this is perpendicular, right? And this is also perpendicular. Moreover, suppose if I extend this line, once you observe here this line and this line, observe here both of them, these two are lines and this one is a transversal, and between those two lines a perpendicular is there, therefore these two lines are parallel. If they are parallel and this angle and this angle are which type of angles there? Corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. These two angles are equal and corresponding angles are also equal. Therefore, in triangle BPC, triangle PAK, angle BCP equal to 90 degrees. This is equal to angle PKA, and moreover angle BPC equal to angle PAK, corresponding angles. Therefore by AA similarity, AA means, don't confuse, angle similarity condition is that one. Therefore, what do we write here? Uh, Triangle PAK is similar to P is P is equal to B. That is B P C. How to check it out? Angle K equal to angle C. Angle K equal to angle C. Angle A equal to angle P. Angle P equal to in PAK. This is angle B. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. How do we write that one? That is PA by BP or PB equal to AK by PC equal to PK by BC. I am not writing any other thing. Look at the board. After writing the symbolic form, PA by BP, AK by PC and PK by BC. Now if you know the values of this one, we can find out the coordinates of that one. Before going to that, first how to find out this one. Now here in this sum, once you check it out, let me rub this one. Now please check it out here. Here I am going to find it out OM. Now from here O to M. OM is how much? OM equal to how much? O to M. What is it? The distance from y axis is nothing but x2. OM is x2. What about ON? ON equal to what? The distance from here to here is x. What about OL? OL is nothing but x1. Clear? Now in the same manner, what about BM? BM is the distance from x-axis to the particular point is y coordinate, y2. That what is PN? PN is nothing but y. Now what about AL? AL is nothing but y1. Now if I want to find out BC, how do I find out BC? BC equal to BM minus CM. I will find it out. This is equal to BM minus CM is nothing but PN minus PN. What is BM? BM is Y2 minus what is PN? That is Y. Clear? Now if I want to find out PK, PK equal to what do I write? PN minus KN I can write. Now PN minus Kn is nothing but Al. This is Al. Pn is how much? Pn is y minus Al is how much? Y1. Is it clear? Now, if I want to find out the value PC, how do I find out PC? PC equal to Mn, right? This can be written as OM minus ON I can write. PC equal to Mn. This is equal to OM minus ON. This is OM is how much? OM is x2 minus x. That is PC. Now AK how to find out? AK equal to ln. Ln how do we write? ON minus OL. ON is how much? X. Minus OL is how much? X1. All the values we got. Once we check it out. PA is M. AK already we got. PC we got. PK we got. BC we got. Now substitute all the values in this formula. Now here PA is dividing a ratio PA by PB equal to AK by PC equal to PK by BC. Now I am substituting the values. PA is nothing but M by PB is nothing but N equal to AK is X minus X1 by PC is X2 minus X equal to PK is Y minus Y1 by BC is Y2 minus Y. Now these two I am doing a cross multiplication, that is M into X2 minus X equal to N into X minus X1. Now here mx2 minus mx equal to nx minus nx1. Mx2 plus nx1 equal to nx plus mx. Mx2 plus nx1 equal to, if I am taking x common, m plus n will be, this you send this side, that is x equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. This is one coordinate we got. Next way, if I am taking 1 and 3, if I am taking, from that what do we write? M into y2 minus y equal to n into y minus y1, that is my2 minus my equal to ny minus ny1. Sending all the y's one side, my2 plus ny1 equal to ny plus my. Now my2 plus ny1 equal to y, take out common, m plus n. Now therefore y equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Therefore coordinates of P is, coordinates of P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Observe clearly, P is between A and B. That means this is possible when P divides AB internally. Then if it is dividing externally, then the formula will change. The place minus will come. In your class 10, only internally sums only there. Is it clear? This is only for internally one. This is the, if you know the points A and B, we can find out the coordinates of the point, and if they know the ratio also. Is it clear? Thank you.